This video focuses on the fourth task of populating a course page. We're going to be creating links to unit pages from the course page. There should be one or two Schoolbox experts from your learning area who have had some training in doing this. If you are trying to do this for the first time without any training and you're not confident, it is advised that you ask one of the experts to help you with it, or perhaps they can do it for you. To begin with, you'll need to go into Schoolbox and start with a particular course page. I'm going to jump across to the Year 7 Maths course page and scroll down, and here you'll see I've got my tiles component, and this is where I'm going to be creating tile links to the Semester 1 units of Year 7 Maths. The first thing to do with the tiles component is to click on the settings cog, and we're going to untick hide heading from read-only users. The next thing is to give the tiles component a name. We're going to call this Semester 1 Units. As we've mentioned in other videos, if you are teaching a semester-long subject, just call this Semester Units and leave out the Semester 1 part. Once you've done those two things, click Update, and you should see that now we've got a heading of Semester 1 Units. For the next part, I'll be flicking between Schoolbox and the step-by-step guide so that you can see how to copy and paste some of the settings to make it a little bit easier for you. Go to Add Tile and give the tile a name. The name of the unit we're linking to is Number. Scroll down, and for the color of the tile, we need to have the 6 Fs for the background, the text color, which is going to be white. Then click Enter. And for the background color, we need to set the color, which is a navy color with transparency. If you go to background and paste that in, click Enter, and you'll see that we've got our transparent navy color. Under the position, you want to tick center and along the bottom, and that's where our text is going to go. For the URL, go to Browse Resources. You need to click on Faculties, then browse for your learning area. So in this example, my Year 7 Maths course belongs to Mathematics. Once you've chosen the learning area, you need to choose the year level. This is Year 7. And then once you've chosen that, there's only one option here for me in terms of subjects or courses, and that's Year 7 Maths. And which unit of work am I linking to? I'm linking to Number, as we said before. Now that I've done that, just check that this file pathway looks correct and that you've ended up with the right unit to link to. Then click Use this folder. Now you'll see that the text in the URL section is homepage / and then a 3-digit number. That 3-digit number will vary according to just whichever URL number you've been assigned for the unit page that you're linking to. Please check that it opens in the same tab. Because we're linking to another page within Schoolbox, the link should open in the same tab or window. Now we need to attach a background image for our tile. In the guide, you are given the file pathway of where you can get the default image that we're going to use for all unit tile links to begin with. If you follow that file pathway, I'm just going to paste it in here, you'll see the file, and in this example I'm using a mansion image, but our image is going to be a school emblem image in the background just to begin with. Once that's attached and the text file writing is in black, you can click the save bar, then scroll down and click save again. If we have a look under Semester 1 Units, you can now see that there is a number tile linking to the number unit page. Let's just actually check now that the link works. So if we click here, Schoolbox is going to take us to the number unit page. So that's exactly what we wanted from before. If you want to go back to the course page, you can either click back in your internet browser up in the top left, or in the course builder you can click Year 7 Maths. It'll take you back to the Year 7 Maths page. So what we need to do now is repeat this process and add more tile links to every unit page that links to Year 7 Maths. So do the Semester 1 units first. It's worth noting that during next year, as we build Schoolbox up, what we'll look to do is customize these images in the background so that they relate to the actual unit themselves. We don't have time to do that in the 2016 setup for 2017, but that might be something we look to do during 2017 when we have a bit more time and we can improve on our unit pages and course pages.